filed by the two sets. Two sets against me and one set supporting me. I have filed my objection petition. But here what has happened? But contrary to the elementary cadre rules of 1997, a notification has been made by the state government directing for regularization of services of junior teacher schematic from the day one. Although under the scheme of Shiksha Sahayak, because the Shiksha Sahayak scheme that was, my lord, redesignated as junior teacher contractual in the year 2018, and again it was redesignated as junior teacher schematic in 2023. Please allow me to submit. My lord, starting from 2011, a Shiksha Sahayak or a junior teacher contractual or a junior teacher schematic, all three are equal posts, same post. On completion of 3 years of service, they become.
What are you arguing? There is an interim order. Notice has been issued.
Notice has been issued.
What are you arguing?
Sir,
Why it has been listed?
Sir, I have filed application. Sir, take care, Mr. Because this is our application. We have filed application.
No, is there any application for vacation?
Sir.
Object, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, take care.
My problem is, sir, you must kindly see. Intervention application may be allowed. I don't have any objection.
Sir, taking student
Application.
only also he
Submit.
4 minutes, 4 minutes.
Submit.
Provided he allows the hearing to continue,
That is
then things the court will function in his own way. Provided he allows, I have already issued notice, interim order is there, you are going on arguing the matter. And why it is listed,
No matter, my prayer is,
nobody is saying.
since they have filed an application for vacation of interim order in both the cases, in
Allow them to proceed first.
but yes,
Please sit down, Mr. Fine. Please sit down, take your chair. Please,
I will take my.
please sit down. Yes.
My prayer is, there are other two writ petitions, that is WPC number 12467 of
We'll take up that later. Yes, what is your case, Mr. Rautre?
Yes, ma'am. Can you Lordship look to
Flag F.
flag F, my flag E?
Flag E.
Yes, my IN number 8589 of 2026. Quote that. 8589. 8589.
889 is flag E.
Sir, sir, kindly look to paragraph 8, internal page 5. Dita paragraph देखो sir, 4 petitioners before Lordship in the writ application. 13,000 vacancies are there. Now, paragraph 8, that the entire case of the petitioner before this honorable court is that they were appointed in the year 2018, and in the event the intervenor will be regularized by virtue of the improved notification dated 2/4/2026, the intervenor will become senior to the petitioner. Then you have to kindly come to paragraph 11. But what is my admission that there is no quarrel that the petitioner are senior to the present intervenors. There is no quarrel. And it is also goes without saying that the present set of intervenors have no objection whatsoever in the event the petitioner will be regularized from the date of their initial appointment as prayed for in the present writ application. But in the event the interim notification dated 2/4/2026 will be quashed without hearing from the side of the intervenor, not only they will lose the chance of regularization, but the same will also be violation of principal maturity. Sir, we are up. Sir, after 2022 repeal provision came into force, so far they are concerned, they will be regular. Their appointment has been regularized. Now they said their appointment should be regularized from 2018. So far as we are concerned, we have been appointed in 2000.
So this is your application for intervention on this ground.
Sir.
Yes, you have filed your objection. What is your objection to this?
My objection is, since I have challenged the notification dated 2/4/2026 under Annexure 10 at page 68, wherein, my lord, the junior teacher schematic, you will may kindly see that notification for a minute. I am just placing that notification. Subject, regularization of junior teacher schematic engaged in primary and upper primary schools in supersession of the previous resolutions, public guidelines issued in this regard. Now, government, after careful consideration, have been pleased to regularize the junior teacher schematic engaged during the year 2023-24. all were appointed in 2024 through due recruitment process and continuing in service as assistant teacher in level 5 pay of the elementary cadre. Then second paragraph, that is most important. Such junior teacher schematic shall be deemed to have been regularized with effect from the date of their respective joining. Respective joining means as junior teacher schematic. These teachers shall be allowed notional service benefits up to 31/12/2025. From the date of their joining a junior teacher schematic till 31st December 2025, they will get notional benefit. They shall be entitled to draw regular pay, oblique salary, and other admissible service benefits of assistant teachers in level 5 pay with effect from 1/1/2026. My lord, my first submission before your lordships is this notification per se is an invalid one, it's a nullity. Why I am saying so? This has been issued by the state government.
Don't repeat the argument.
My lord,
After hearing you only, I have issued notice.
yes, sir.
Now tell me what is your specific problem.
my lord, my specific problem is, lordship may kindly see the elementary
If
cadre.
they are added, now the question is only intervention. If they are added as parties, what
No
problem?
right has no,
How you will be prejudiced?
no right has accrued in upper middle.
Huh?
Let me complete. Let me complete.
No, it's not an own order
Hmm.
of 21/4/26. Para 3 foot na padale, para 3 re
But this is
let's be read para 3.
this is
By
contrary to the statute.
Please.
Filing the present writ application, the petitioners call in question the conduct of the OP in treating the junior teacher schematic who were appointed in the year 23-24 as senior to the present petitioners. In course of argument,
That is what we
petitioners contended that the petitioners were initially engaged as junior teachers contractual in the year 2018. We have no problem there. Upon completion of 3 years of service, they were engaged as junior teachers and finally with effect from 11/12/24, they were appointed as regular teachers elementary. He further contended, what is important, that in the meantime, opposite parties have changed the rules by virtue of the notification dated 2/4/26, whereby the junior teacher schematic who were engaged in the primary and upper primary school during the year 23-24 were issued with engagement in the engagement order in the year 24 have been regularized from the date of initial engagement. Kindly see, the next line is important. As a result, this is what we had contended. As a result, such junior teacher schematic are likely to be placed above the present petitioners who were initially recruited in the year 2018 in the gradation list. We are conceding to that. Lead 4 of them be added first. No problem.
considering will not suffice because this is the rules. No.
Sir, gradation is not.
Not gradation list. I am also challenging the identification. At moment, your lordship may kindly see the elementary.
Not right, you have to tell it.
Yes, right. My lord, not 13,000.
And you are not.
No.
extremely matter.
No. It's not a PI. It's not a PI. My lord, our rights are affected.
Which are the IS for intervention?
Sir, my intervention 8/5/89 of 2026.
8589.
Well, it's some.
Flag
I am at flag C 8102 of 2026.
Mine is
Am I right?
8106.
Again, 8102. I'm sorry.
8102, yes.
2026.
Nine
flag
state
More or less 8590 more.
85 8589 ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମିଷ୍ଟର ପରିଜାଙ୍କର ହେଲା 8102
Again.
ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି your matter
8552/26 flag D.
He is supporting the petitioner.
supporting the petitioner
Yes,
8552
Yes, ma'am.
because we are also thousands in number.
Huh.
We will be affected.
Representing
No, yes. Are you representing thousands? You are only few.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଆଇ ଗୁଡା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ନମ୍ବର 8102 of 2026 ଆଇ ନମ୍ବର 8552 of 2026 ଆଇ ନମ୍ବର 8589 of 2026 the above noted I applications have been filed by third parties with a prayer to intervene in the present writ application. Third learned senior counsels representing the interveners as well as Mr. Smile and counsel for the petitioner and then counsel for the state. The next one. The present writ application has been filed by the petitioners, thereby challenging the notification of government dated 2/4/2026 at Annexure 10 to the writ application. Stop. By virtue of the notification, the government has taken a decision to regularize the service of the junior teachers schematic who were appointed in the year 2023 and 24, either in primary or in upper primary schools, and were engaged in the year 2024.
20.
The petitioners who were initially appointed as Shiksha Sahayaks in the year 2018 were subsequently regularized as junior teachers contractual in the year 2018.
12/3/2000
And thereafter they were engaged and they were regularized as junior teachers, regular junior teachers.
21. On completion of 3 years, they were appointed as junior teacher in 2021.
Junior teacher.
Junior teachers in the year, regularized as junior teachers in the year 2021.
And regular teacher.
And apprehending that they might lose their seniority in the event.
No, they were regularized as level 5A assistant teacher in 2024.
11/12/24.
On completion of 6 years of service, both in the capacity of Shiksha Sahayak and junior teacher.
Were subsequently, they were subsequently regularized as junior teachers in level 5 upon completion of 3 years service as
Assistant teacher, level 5 assistant teacher.
assistant teacher, level 5 assistant teacher
In the elementary cadre.
in the elementary cadre. Upon completion of 3 years service as junior teacher within bracket contractual. The petitioners apprehending that they might lose their seniority in the event
Not only senior,
the service of the petition, the service of the persons under Annex 10 is regularized. Have approached this court by filing the present writ petition. In the present writ application, they have also sought for certain ancillary reliefs relating to the regularization of their service as assistant teacher level 5. In sum and substance, the petitioners claim seniority over the persons who are going to be regularized by virtue of order notification dated 2/4/2026 at Annexure 10 to the writ application. Stop. Next para. The intervenants in IA number 8102 of 2026 as well as 8589 of 2026 being represented by Mr. Aswapalya on Senior Council and Mr. Buddha Rai on Senior Council, stated for this court that by virtue of the interim order, the third party interveners are seriously prejudiced. So, the board contended that the intervener third parties who were initially engaged in the year 2024
at junior teacher schematic.
are junior teachers schematic are to be regularized in service by virtue of the notification dated 2/4/2026 at Annexure 10. Stop. However, in view of the interim order passed by this court, the services have not been regularized. As such, the petitioners are seriously prejudiced, and it is claimed that they are a necessary party to the present writ application, and that in their absence, the present writ application cannot be adjudicated effectively. This is why in the next paragraph, this is why counsel appearing for the petitioner on the other hand objected to the intervention application on the ground that
This is contrary to the rules.
the notification dated 2/4/2026 at Annexure 10 is contrary to the rules, and that the presence of the third party intervener not necessary while considering the validity of notification dated 2/4/2026 at Annexure 10 to the writ application. On such grounds, when counsel for the petitioner contended that the intervention applications being devoid of merit are liable to be rejected. Next, for having heard the counsels appearing for the respective parties on a careful examination of the grounds taken in the intervention application and upon a close scrutiny of the close analysis of the submission made by respective senior counsels representing the intervener petitioners, this court observed that the intervener petitioners who are third parties to the writ application have asserted that they are affected by the interim order passed by this court on 21/4/2026 to the effect that the operation of the notification dated 2/4/2026 of the S&ME Department Government of Odisha at Annexure 10 has been stayed. They further contended that by virtue of the notification dated 2/4/2026, the services of the intervener petitioner and similarly situated many other teachers were to be regularized. As per the decision taken, government in its Department of S&ME. Thus, senior counsels appearing for the intervener petitioners contended that the present intervener petitioners are a necessary party to the present writ application, and in their absence, the present writ application cannot be decided effectively. Taking into consideration submission made by the senior counsels appearing for the intervener petitioner, for the taking note of the submission made by Mr. Fine and counsel appearing for the petitioner, this court on a careful examination of the impact of the interim order dated 21/4/2026 is of the view that the petitioners are definitely affected by the interim order dated 21/4/2026. As such, they are a necessary party to the present writ application. Moreover, in IA number 8552 of 2026, represented by Mr. Ramya Kumar Mahante, advocate, such interveners along with the petitioners. Therefore, this court finds no difficulty in allowing all the intervention applications. Accordingly, the intervention applications are allowed. Consolidated copy of the first act will be filed within 2 weeks. Files to uploaded within 2 weeks. Copies of the writ application be sought on counsel for the intervener. Respective counsels appealing to the interveners. Reply affidavit, if any, be filed within 4 weeks. Lists matter in the week convention. It was 29th of June for final disposal. There is a modification. There is a modification. Disposal question is there are the 4 persons. Huh? 4 persons. We are also representing our friends. We have accepted. Made petitioner. Try for rules. We will design. Always follow the procedure. Let the counter affidavit come. We will decide disposal on by store. Interim order pass to continue till next date. Objection to the vacation filed. Yes. Along with for the way, list this writ application along with IA number 8100 of 2026 and the objection filed there in the week commencing 22nd of June. Either it will be final disposal or I'll yes. Modify the interim order. Come along with keep it WTC 12467. They don't list of 1 to the associate to the yes 67